In the fast-paced world of modern dating, it is easy to become overwhelmed and confused about the true meaning of love and relationships. However, by turning to the wisdom found within the Bible, we can gain valuable insights into navigating the complexities of dating and forging authentic connections. This article aims to explore the secrets of biblical wisdom in love and relationships, as well as the power of choice in the dating realm. Unveiling the secrets of biblical wisdom in love and relationships. The Bible, as a sacred text, offers timeless wisdom and guidance on various aspects of life, including love and relationships. One of the central themes emphasized within biblical teachings is the importance of love. In Corinthians 13:4-7, it is written, "Love is patient, love is kind. It does not envy, it does not boast, it is not proud. It does not dishonor others, it is not self-seeking, it is not easily angered, it keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres." This passage highlights the qualities that true love embodies and serves as a guiding principle for individuals seeking meaningful relationships. Furthermore, biblical wisdom emphasizes the significance of mutual respect and understanding in relationships. Ephesians 5 verse 21 advises, "Submit to one another out of reverence for Christ." This verse encourages individuals to treat their partners with respect, valuing their opinions and desires. It emphasizes the importance of open communication, compromise, and the recognition that a healthy relationship requires effort from both parties involved. By adhering to these biblical teachings, we can foster strong and loving relationships built on a foundation of mutual understanding and respect. Empowering yourself, unlocking the power of choice in dating. Dating can often feel like a whirlwind of emotions and uncertainty. However, biblical wisdom empowers individuals by reminding them of the power of choice in their dating journey. Proverbs 31 verse 10 states, "A wife of noble character who can find, she is worth far more than rubies." This verse not only applies to women but also provides insight into the value of character when choosing a partner. It encourages individuals to prioritize attributes such as integrity, kindness, and strength of character over superficial qualities. By making informed choices based on biblical teachings, individuals can set themselves up for fulfilling and lasting relationships. Biblical wisdom also reminds us to seek guidance from God in our dating decisions. Proverbs 3 verses 5-6 advises, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to Him, and He will make your path straight." This verse encourages individuals to trust in a higher power and seek divine guidance in their dating lives. By aligning our choices with God's will, we can be confident in our decisions and trust that our paths will lead us to the right person. In a world where dating can often feel overwhelming and uncertain, exploring biblical wisdom can be a grounding and enlightening experience. By embracing the principles of love, respect, and choice found within the Bible, individuals can navigate the complexities of relationships with confidence and purpose. So, whether you are currently dating or hoping to find love in the future, consider turning to biblical wisdom to guide you on your journey towards a fulfilling and authentic connection.